Hey, what's up YouTube? So this is going to be our EK K24 with a Accord Type R transmission, and I've already kind of been filming, but some of the video from the last one had music in it, so I didn't want to get the video taken off. So as you can see, it's all K-tuned out. It's got the delete kit, Hassport mounts, K-series throttle body with a deleted map sensor, so if you are running a PRB, it's not going to work if you're running this model, just to let you know. Also, when running this transmission, this is like an 06 to 11 SI, like the TSX, so the clip is going to be different, so we're going to be rewiring that. The cables, since this is an Accord Type R, they're going to be using the TSX cables. Got our K-tune headers on here. Other things we're going to be doing is just little stuff, is like VTEC sensor. On the K24s, you have to run a K20 crank sensor, so we're going to swap that out. K24s don't work. You don't have to cut or anything, so just replace the sensor. Also, we're going to be, this is our starter and charge wire. We're going to be wiring that up to the fuse box. We're going to be putting an RBC manifold that I have brought over. As you can see, got an RBC manifold, EP3 alternator, since the radiator we're running is going to be staying on the passenger side, which is basically good for turbo. These are brand new TSX cables. This is the plug that I got from 06 that we're going to be plugging in. 2005 06 RSX works as well. And as you can see, there's all the other little stuff we need to install to get the car going. So right now we're going to go through all the stuff that I did already, and then we'll see you guys next time. Alright, so now that we're back, got the clutch line all installed with the reservoir from K-tune. Got my slave cylinder on there as well. And right now we're going to get ready to drop in the conversion harness and run it through the car. And we're going to install some grounds. These are the 4 grounds, or the 4 grounds are basically for the transmission, your intake manifold, and the other one I guess is just for the battery that they give you. So there are 3 main grounds that you need, and then also when doing Honda, make sure you put it right here for the ground. But the stud is broken, so we'll replace that. We'll come to do that later. So I'm going to go ahead and get these grounds, run this harness, and then we'll see where we go from there. Alright, so here's the engine harness that we got right here. Here's our conversion harness, and then this is our ECU. So we're going to take these 2 plugs right here, and we're going to plug those into the ECU. This plug right here is going to plug into the K-tune conversion harness, and then over here we have the E plug, which is going to go into the ECU to connect the speedometer and tachometer and all the other stuff for the cluster. So we'll go ahead and connect this, take this ECU, the old one, off, and try to plug it up in there over there, and we'll come back. Alright, so as you can see, got the conversion all installed, got the ECU plugged in, and the other side is plugged in as well, but you probably can't see it. But now all you have to do is connect these last coolant wires, RPMs, Milo, fuel pump. I'll be doing that on the next video. And let me show you the ground. So this is your battery ground, intake manifold ground, transmission ground, and then we got the crank ground. And also we went on and did the axles. Wasn't planning on doing it, but got those done as well. So right now this is going to be the conclusion of part 1. Tomorrow we're going to come back, and I got to get some other parts that we need for the car. He got to go to the parts store, get some stuff. So going to be doing the alternator, changing the intake manifold, and doing the shift linkage, and I'll show you guys finishing up the wiring on the conversion harness. So if you haven't, like, share, subscribe, hit me up on Instagram, kseriesworks. You can email me at honda.mike1988@gmail.com. And I'll see you guys next time.